Here at Toyota of Glendora, we have all makes and models. So if you're looking for a used car, Toyota of Glendora is the place. While we take any car, truck, or SUV in trade, we keep only the best to sell to you, our valued customers. You'll have it all going on for you here at Toyota of Glendora, serving Los Angeles and Orange counties. Call or stop by now and ask about our extended warranties.
The 2013 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, anti-lock braking system, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, front, cruise control, keyless entry, AM/FM stereo radio. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.